You got the hiccups? You blowing bubbles? Well, that's a pretty impressive one. You drink too much beer? Maybe you gotta cut back a little bit. So some pretty good noises you got there going.